How to create Twitter ads. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create your very own Twitter ads in a step-by-step video. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So first things first, what I want you guys to do is sign into your Twitter account. It'll automatically sign into your Twitter ads account as well. So as you can see, I've already signed up. When you search for ads.twitter.com or just simply search for Twitter ads, you'll arrive over here into this website, and once you've signed up, this is how the home page is going to look like. As you can see over here, this is our campaign objectives, and over here we're going to choose our objectives. So if we want to add in awareness, we have considerations, we have conversions. So in awareness we want reach maximum, and in consideration we have video views, pre-roll views, app installation, website clicks, engagement, followers, and stuff like that. And then versions, we have app rearrangements. So let's just assume that our objective is website clicks. All we have to do is just simply choose this objective and then just simply click on next. And also remember guys, the cost per click is different and each objective is going to have different costs. So for views, it's going to be cost per views, app installation and website traffic, it's going to be cost per clicks. So over here, once we've chosen your objectives, this is going to be your campaign details. Over here, all you have to do is just simply add in the name of their campaign and add in the funding source, which could be credit card, for example, and then add in a daily budget. So let's just say that our daily budget is $100, and then we have a total budget of $100. So we can assume that our budget is gonna go overboard more than $100. And then we can even add a start date and end date if we want to, which is optional, but I think that start date is fine. As soon as our budget runs out, our ad campaign will stop as well. That's why we added the total budget. And for the ad campaign name, we'll just say website clicks. And once we've added that, all we have to do is just click on next, or we can also view the advanced settings, but as you can see, we'll just go with the standard pacing. Just simply click on next once you've entered in all of the details, and once you click on it, you'll be arrived over here into add group details. Over here you can add in the group name, and then over here and you can add in other specifications as well. So for now we'll just say that our ad group is website clicks, so we'll just leave it like that, same name as the ad and name as well. And over here on the right side you will have the audience estimate. So right now we're at an estimate of 3.2 to 3.5 million based on our targeting selections, but we haven't even added anything. But I'm sure as soon as we've added more options over here, filled out this form, it'll decrease or increase depending upon our target selections. So for now our goal is link clicks over here, and that is it. Let's go ahead and add a total budget of ad groups. We'll also add $100 over here, and then we can specify the time as well, and I think we've specified it. That's quite nice. And then we have bid strategy. So we have auto bid, target cost, or maximum bid. What that basically means is that in a bid strategy, you choose how you want to bid in an ad auction. Now, what that basically means is that when you assign an ad, Twitter is going to look at it and see in that particular group has the higher budget or the higher bid, and then they're going to run those ads. Your ad could be rejected, so make sure that you have a higher budget. And then go down below, you have automatic bidding, and you have target cost, you have maximum bid as well. Set a maximum, you'll never bid over. Bidding higher helps your ad display more often as well. So we'll go ahead and choose that as well. And then over here we have, right now the bid suggestion is 0.70 to $3.8 maximum per link clicks, because we have a higher reach right now, but I'm sure that'll change. So we'll just go with 0.70 to 3.80. We'll just go with $2, or we'll just go with 1.50. Yeah. And then down below you have link click over here. This is pay by link click. You can add in more measurement options as well. There are no partners to select right now. And then down below you have Google Ad Manager impression tag. You can go ahead and add a link to track your tags below using Google Ad Campaign Manager. Right now we don't need that. And then down below you have demographics. Basically you're going to choose a certain demographic who you're basically targeting is. So basically if you're promoting a website that is dedicated to women or men, you can go ahead and choose that, or if you have any, you can choose any as well. So let's just go ahead and say that we want to target men for now. And then down below you can specify the age as well. So we'll specify the age. We want to target age groups from 21 to, let's say, 34. So as you can see on the right side, our audience estimate has now decreased depending upon the demographic. And then we can even add in a location if we want to. We can even upload a bulk upload. Basically, choose all of the locations that we want. So over here you have countries, you zip codes, cities, and stuff like that. So we'll just go with country, and then down below we'll just add in a list of countries that we want to target. So let's go ahead and say United States. We'll go with China, go with Brazil, and we'll also go with the UK. Oh, it's Ukraine. Okay, United Kingdom. And there we go. Now we'll just go ahead and add to campaign. As you can see, you've selected too many countries. Okay, so we'll just get rid of this country, and we'll get rid of China as well. So as you can see right now, our estimate has increased from just 1.4 or something like that to 26 million. And then down below we can even add languages as well, but I think that right now we don't need to add languages. We'll just keep it simple. And then down below you can even target operating system as well. So basically if you want to target iOS or Android, we'll go with both of them, because usually people use phones. So we'll go with 15 and higher, and for Android we'll go with 11 and higher. Not a lot of updates every year. And then we can even add the device models as well if we want to, such as Google or Huawei or LG, Motorola, Nokia, anything we want, but we'll keep it optional for now, and even the carrier will not select that, because right now our targeting audience is very high. And then we can even add custom audience if we want to, but that is if you have created a custom audience. Right now we haven't created one, so we'll just leave it at that. And then down below you have targeting features. Basically you can add keywords, follower lookalikes, interests, movies, and stuff like that. So as you can see, we can upload bulks over here. So depending upon the type of website you have, we're targeting men, let's say we have men accessories, we'll add in like belts, wallets, watches, bracelets, necklaces, sunglasses, and stuff like that. So we'll go ahead and add that as well. So over here I'm going to bulk upload sunglasses, we'll go with wallet, we'll go with watches, and we'll also use rings as well. And we'll just click on add campaign. As you can see, our estimated audience has decreased from 28 to 5.8 million. So we can even add follower lookalikes if we want to, or we can add interest as well. So we want to add over here. So I think that it falls into beauty categories, like the things that we've added, or I don't see anything else. Actually, style and fashion. Yeah, we'll choose men's accessories. Over here, we'll have men's formal wear, men's jeans, and shoes as well. We'll keep that. Sunglasses over here, and watches, as you can see. And there we go. I think that's basically it. And save it. And there we go. As you can see, our interests have been included. Then we can even add movies and TV shows, events as well, but I think we'll keep that optional for now. And once we have added all of those, down below we can go over to the payment sections where we can add payments. And for now we'll just keep whatever that is selected. And then down below you have Twitter audience platforms. You can see where the Twitter audience platforms, by extending your reach, you can have Twitter audience platforms. You agree to the terms and services. Yes, it is on. So, and then down below you have formats. Basically you have native, banner, medium, rectangle. This is basically a format of your ad. It can shown within these formats. So it can be shown as a banner, it can be shown as a medium, rectangle, full screen, portrait, full screen, landscape as well. And then down below you have your ad category. Basically choose a category that describes your ad content. So we'll go ahead and add in men. We'll go ahead and add in fashion, style and fashion, actually. Yeah. And then you can add the website domain. Basically, add in the link of your website. Just don't include the HTTP or www. Basically add in the link to your website so that people can go check that out as well. And then down below you have creatives. Over here you can see all of tweets that you have been promoted and have tweeted in the past couple of days. And once everything is set, all you have to do is just check your audience estimate. As you can see right now, it's around 6 million, which is a pretty good number. And now we click on next, and now we're in the review section. Over here we can review everything and see if we've missed anything. And if, as you can see, we have missed this. Basically a line item must contain an advertiser domain or stuff like that. So basically we need to add a list over here. And we'll just add in a list of any website for now. Let's just say youtube.com. Okay, and then down below you need to select at least one of the tweets to launch this campaign. So we'll just if you've tweeted about this ad before, then you'll just select that tweet, and then you can just simply click on next. And over here, this is the preview section. As you can see, promoted tweets without links or ads are not allowed. So we haven't added that, so I think we're good, and everything looks good. Over here you can review your campaign details, you can review your ad group details, and once everything looks good, just simply click on launch campaign, and then you'll be done. So for now, I think it says promoted tweets without links or Twitter ad cards are not allowed for this objective. So we need to add a link into our into our tweets as well. So just simply create a tweet over here into Twitter, and then it'll be recognized over here into the creative sections of Twitter ads, and then we can choose that tweet, and then we're golden, and we're basically done, and then we can go ahead and launch the campaign. So that is basically how you create ads for Twitter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.